Welcome to the wildest ride through the world of dirty money. Today, we're diving headfirst into the mind-boggling world of the Danske Bank scandal. Billions of dollars, secret accounts, shady characters, and of course, a whistleblower straight out of a spy movie. Now, I know what you're thinking. What the heck is the Danske Bank scandal and why should I care? Well, hold on to your wallets because this is one story you don't want to miss. It all started in a place you'd never expect. Estonia. Small, peaceful country best known for its digital innovations and maybe its excellent smokefish. But little did anyone know, behind the unassuming doors of this tiny Danske Bank branch, there was a tidal wave of illicit cash just waiting to burst forth like an overflowing money piñata. You see, in 2007, Danske Bank bought up a local Finnish bank's Estonian operations. They probably thought, hey, let's expand, make some money, easy, right? But instead of regular deposits and withdrawals, they unknowingly opened Pandora's piggy bank for shady characters from Russia and other ex-Soviet states. Why Estonia? Back then, Estonia was kind of like a no-question-asked financial hotspot. Thanks to their lax regulations, foreigners, especially rich oligarchs and, let's just say, interesting people from Russia could open up non-resident accounts and poof, just like magic, move their money around the globe with ease. Now, Danske Bank's Estonian branch wasn't exactly picky. They just saw dollar signs. So who cares where the money comes from, right? Wrong. Spoiler alert, they should have cared. So how was it discovered? Enter our hero, Howard Wilkinson, a senior executive working at the Estonian branch. Now, Howard wasn't like the others. He had a nose for fishy business. And when he started sniffing around, he noticed something weird. Some of the accounts belonged to mysterious shell companies based in far-off places like Cyprus and the British Virgin Islands. These weren't your regular buying groceries and paying rent type of accounts. Oh no. These accounts were moving billions of dollars. In 2013, Howard had seen enough. Something stinks worse than old fish around here. So, he blew the whistle. He reported the shady dealings to the big bosses back at Danske HQ. And the bank's response? Well, let's just say they treated it like someone lost a pencil. Nothing happened. Fast forward to 2017, the secret's out, folks. International media got wind of it, and suddenly everyone was scrambling like chickens in a barn fire. Turns out, between 2007 and 2015, 230 billion had been laundered through the little branch in Estonia. The money was coming from all sorts of shady places, mostly from Russia. A big chunk of it was linked to the Russian laundromat. A massive money laundering scheme.
The results have been released of an inquiry into one of Europe's biggest money laundering scandals. Danish lender Danske Bank says billions of euros flowed through its accounts from Russia and ex-Soviet states. The firm's CEO, Thomas Borgen, has now resigned, and there are now calls for a wider independent investigation.
Now, when the regulators got involved, things started getting really ugly for Danske Bank. Executives were resigning faster than you can say, I'm innocent. Fines? Through the roof. Danske was fined billions of dollars for letting all this dirty cash flow through like water down a drain. But that's not all. US authorities, European regulators, and law enforcement agencies from around the world were like, hold up, we need to get in on this action. Investigations stretched far and wide, no stone unturned. Then the resolution came. So how did it all end? Danske Bank had to clean up its act. The Estonian branch was shut down permanently. No more funny business. They hired a whole new set of executives who were all about compliance and transparency. Anti-money laundering measures were tightened, not just for Danske, but for banks around the world. And let's not forget our whistleblower, Howard Wilkinson, the man who stood up when no one else would. Thanks to him and the investigative powers that be, we saw a reckoning in the banking world that forced institutions to do better, be better, and clean up their acts. The Danske Bank scandal reminds us all of one thing. When it comes to money, you've got to keep it clean. Whether you're running a global bank or just managing your own checking account, the lesson here is transparency and ethics matter. We need watchdogs like Wilkinson and good regulations to keep our financial system safe from the bad guys. So next time you see a bank commercial boasting about trust and security, you might want to ask them, but what about Estonia though? Thanks for joining me on this wild journey through the Danske Bank scandal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next crazy tale of financial shenanigans. See you next time.